Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a streaming channel with Twitch, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a streaming channel on Twitch, start by visiting the Twitch website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. Fill out the registration form with your email, username, and password. Once registered, verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your Twitch account. Next, navigate to the Twitch dashboard by clicking on your profile icon. Select the Creator Dashboard from the drop-down menu. On the Creator Dashboard, look for the Settings menu on the left side. Under Settings, choose Stream. Here, you can configure your stream key. Keep this key safe, as it's essential for broadcasting. Now it's time to download streaming software. Popular choices include OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or XSplit. Install your chosen software and open it. Set up your stream by entering the Twitch stream key in the software settings. Next, configure your video and audio settings to match your streaming preferences. It's advisable to test your audio levels and video quality before going live. Create engaging content that reflects your interests and niche. Consider setting up overlays or alerts to enhance viewer engagement. Now, prepare your streaming environment. Ensure your webcam, microphone, and lighting are properly positioned. Once everything is ready, it's time to go live. Return to your streaming software and click the Start Streaming button. Back in your Twitch dashboard, check for any viewers and engage with them. Monitor your chat for interactions and respond accordingly. After your stream, analyze performance metrics available in the dashboard. Continuously refine your content based on viewer feedback and analytics. Consistency is key, so aim to establish a regular streaming schedule. Finally, promote your channel through social media to attract more viewers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.